Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import a new token into your Phantom wallet. First, open your Phantom wallet. Whether it's on your phone or as a browser extension, the process is the same. Once you're in, you'll notice an option called Manage Token List. Click on it to see all the available tokens. To add a token, simply select it from the list. For example, if I select a token and go back to the home page, you can see that the token is now added to the wallet. You can repeat this process to add more tokens to your Phantom wallet. If you want to add a token that isn't available in the list, go to the home page and click on the Buy button. Let's say you want to add USDT. Go to Search, type the name of the token, and you'll find USDT. Activate and enable this token. You may need to deposit a specific amount in your wallet to add this token. Be aware that adding tokens may come with a cost, whether it's a custom token you've created or one you found on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap provides all the necessary information about cryptocurrencies, including prices and market caps. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.